Madam.
Your husband doesn't know she's here.
What's her name, Snitch? What's her name? Ma'am, I know you're black, but we can still see. It's not that dark in here. Zandi, oh, so aggressive. Typical Tulsa with me. Zandi, okay. Cool, no, thank you guys for coming. I appreciate it. Next to the lady in between, I don't know how she got there. To come. Oh, I didn't see you guys coming. When did you guys come in? Okay. You guys a couple? You guys look good together.
Who?
You guys?
No, we're friends.
We're friends. There's a lot of female friends in this building. Single again?
Yeah.
I can tell. What is going on here? There's not much options. Yeah. You single, my brother? Yes.
I know it's right.
He is wearing a super dry jacket. Do you know how much is a super dry? A super dry jacket. Kiara has to work for 6 years to afford a super dry jacket on a rate of 1,000 rand per hour. The super dry jacket is air conditioned.